In this table, we will learn about the delete command. Delete command erases values from table. It is recommended to add where term, otherwise all records will be deleted from the table. The structure is that delete from the table name, the table that we want to delete columns from. In the where is the condition, with the condition that we want the specific rows to be deleted. For example, we have delete from the ordered details, only quantity that are lower than 5. Let's see an important note. If we want to delete the entire table, we can use drop table command and the table will no longer exist. The difference between delete and drop, that if we delete without where condition, we still have the table exist, but the column will be empty. If we want to delete the entire table, we need to do drop. Let's see it in the SQL Server. So let's see the row we want to delete. We have select asterisk from the order details. Now we want only from the order ID 12053, and we don't want to delete the entire rows, we just want to delete the product ID 23. So let's add another condition, the product ID equals 23. Let's run this, only this. We see this row. Let's erase this row. So we want to delete from the order details, but only these conditions. What the SQL will do is look at the order details. After that, at the condition, we'll find order ID 11053 and the product ID 23, and we'll erase them. Let's run this. One row affected. Now if we run the select asterisk from the order details with this condition, we see it's no longer exists. Let's erase the product ID and run only the order ID. So we have 3 rows instead of 4. We don't have the row of product ID 23 because we delete it. Now let's see the drop. We will not drop the entire order detail, but let's drop the orders 97. So after running it, we have the new table that we created. Let's erase this table. Now we'll not do delete, let's do drop table and only drop the orders 97. If we erase it, the entire table will no longer exist. Before that, let's see what will happen if we do delete from the orders 97 without conditions. The entire values will disappear. Let's run this. 408 rows disappeared. If we run this, we see the table still exists without rows. But if we do drop table and run the orders 97, it does not exist. We don't need to delete all values before dropping the table. We can just drop the table if we don't need it anymore.